Looking for powerful performance in a compact package? Mini PCs are the perfect solution. Whether for your home office, media center, or high-performance tasks, they deliver it all with powerful processors, fast storage, and versatile connectivity. In this video, we've reviewed the top 5 best mini PCs of 2025. For more details, check the links in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Asus NUC 14 Pro. The Asus NUC 14 Pro is one of the most customizable mini PCs I've tested yet. Available in either a slim or tall case, this mini PC is even smaller than Apple's new Mac Mini M4. However, it still packs in plenty of full-sized ports, and you can even add more around the back if you go with the tall case option, thanks to a whole third-party ecosystem of expansion brackets and lid replacements. This lets you configure the Asus NUC 14 Pro for more specialized workflows after the fact. Under the hood, you have not one but 5 different Intel processors to pick from, including a more affordable Intel Core Ultra 3 up to an Intel Core Ultra 7 165H with vPro. Likewise, you can get the Asus NUC 14 Pro fully configured, or buy it bare bones to provide your memory, storage, and operating system. You can also equip this tiny mini PC with up to 96GB of DDR5 RAM and up to 4TB of storage thanks to the fact that it has 2 M.2 SSD slots. During testing, I liked how quiet the Asus NUC 14 Pro was in use for the most part. Its fans did ramp up when under heavy load, though Asus does offer fan and temperature control software if things get too noisy. For you, even at just 4.5x 4.4x 2.1 inches, the NUC 14 Pro can drive up to 4 displays simultaneously using its dual HDMI and Thunderbolt 4 ports. This could be the perfect Mac Mini alternative if you're looking for a small mini PC to use as a workstation and prefer Windows over Mac OS. Number 4. Khadas Mind. Of all the mini PCs I've tried over the past year, the Khadas Mind surprised me the most. Small enough to slip into a front pocket, but with full-sized ports, there's nothing quite like it. It also has a built-in battery, which instead of powering the device, is used to keep this mini PC in sleep mode so that you can take it with you. One of my favorite things about the Khadas Mind is that, unlike other mini PCs that use barrel connectors, it uses a standard USB-C port for power. While testing this mini PC, I was able to use a Guian charger as well as a monitor with a 65W USB-C port to power it. Despite its small size, you'll find 2 USB-C ports, one for power, an HDMI port, and 2 USB-A ports around the back. When you want more ports, a fingerprint scanner, or even a discrete GPU, Khadas sells 2 optional docks that you can magnetically attach the Mind to. Likewise, thanks to its built-in battery, you could have the standard dock set up at the office to turn it into a proper workstation, and the graphics dock at home for when you want to kick back and play some games. The Khadas Mind may be slightly more expensive than your standard mini PC, but you're paying a bit more for portability. Just keep in mind though that Khadas recently released the Mind 2 if you want one of Intel's Core Ultra processors instead. Number 3. Asus ROG NUC 970. The Asus ROG NUC 970 is a compact gaming PC designed for enthusiasts with limited space. Its versatile design allows it to be placed either vertically or horizontally, serving as a great alternative to traditional consoles. Notably, it features a striking RGB Republic of Gamers logo that you can customize by replacing it with your image. For those looking to expand storage, the ROG NUC 970 offers the option to install 2 additional M.2 SSDs upon opening. This powerful mini PC is powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and an NVIDIA RTX 4070 mobile graphics card, delivering impressive gaming performance. Users have the choice of a 512GB or 1TB SSD, providing ample space for games and applications. Connectivity is robust, with the front panel housing 2 USB-A ports, an SD card reader, and a headphone jack for convenience, while the back panel includes 4 USB-A ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, 2 DisplayPort 1.4A ports, and a Thunderbolt 4 port, meeting various connectivity demands. Although the ROG NUC 970 comes at a premium compared to similar components, this price reflects its sleek design and compact form. making it a valuable investment for gamers who appreciate performance and style. In summary, the Asus ROG NUC 970 emerges as a premier gaming mini PC, blending functionality with aesthetics for an outstanding gaming experience. Number 2. Minisforum AtomMan G7 PT. The AtomMan G7 PT from Minisforum stands out in the mini PC market for its powerful performance and impressive features. As the first mini PC to receive AMD Advantage certification, it combines an AMD Ryzen processor with Radeon graphics for enhanced performance. While it's not specifically designed for 4K gaming, it excels in 1080p gaming, offering smooth visuals and responsive gameplay that will satisfy gamers looking for solid performance over ultra-high-definition gameplay. Beyond gaming, the AtomMan G7 PT is equipped with 32 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking for gaming, streaming, or productivity tasks. The 1TB SSD provides ample storage space for games and applications, while also improving system performance. With faster load times and more efficient data access, this versatile mini PC appeals to gamers and professionals. Whether you're gaming or working, the AtomMan G7 PT offers a powerful and compact machine that handles a variety of tasks with ease. It is an excellent choice for those seeking a balance of power, efficiency, and versatility in a mini PC without sacrificing performance quality. In summary, the AtomMan G7 PT is an outstanding option for users in need of a high-performance, compact device for work and play. Number 1. Mac Mini M4. Apple managed to outdo itself yet again with the Mac Mini M4, and this tiny powerhouse is faster and more capable than its predecessor. This is in part thanks to the inclusion of the company's M4 chip, but boosting the base model's RAM from a paltry 8GB to 16GB is a big help as well. Upgrading to the M4 Pro version sweetens the deal even more, turning this into a decent Mac for gaming, along with light photo, video editing. Best of all though, it now takes up even less space on your desk. The biggest upgrade in terms of day-to-day use though, is that the Mac Mini M4 now has front ports in addition to rear ports. Up front, you get 2 USB-C ports as well as a headphone jack. While around the back, there are 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI port, and a Gigabit Ethernet port. Opting for the Mac Mini M4 Pro over the standard model not only gives you a faster chip with more CPU and GPU cores, but you also get 24GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD, and the rear ports use Thunderbolt 5 instead. At 5x 2 inches, the Mac Mini M4 is tiny and more in line with Windows-based mini PCs when it comes to size. My only gripe is that instead of being on the back in an easily reachable but out-of-the-way place, the power button is now on the bottom of the device. This means you'll need to lift it off your desk to turn it on. As such, you will probably want to just put it to sleep, instead of shutting it off completely at the end of the day. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.